Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you're going to be seeing this contact lenses review. Okay, so I received contact lenses from this company. So the box comes like this. It said your present. So yeah, and let's see. That's cute. So this is what it comes in with. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's from the company called Mdee official. Okay, Mdee. So you can follow them on Instagram. They have their Instagram right there. So it tells you how to put your contact lenses and all the pamphlets. So actually I've been wearing contact lenses for like how many years now? I think 3-4 years now. So and it came with this cute headband. Cute, right? Like it. Okay, so I think I choose 4 contact lenses, so I'm going to be reviewing the 4 of them. Okay, so it comes in this cute box. How cute is this? I mean, it says Love Diary, the Book of Love. Oh, this is so romantic. Okay, may love, harmony and understanding be. I can't see the letters. Anyways, it's just white and I can't see very well. Okay, I mean I'm not wearing glasses. So these I choose them with prescription because actually I need contact lenses with prescription. If not, it doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, so you open it. Wait, okay, I want to show you guys how I opened it and all. Like I've not opened the package before. Yeah, okay, so here comes 2. This one is the color blue gray from the collection Bloom, I think, and this is the green from LA Girl. Okay, so listen guys, let me remove all of them from their boxes. Okay, and oh, this box is different from this one. This one is white and this one is gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one is gold right here. Okay, so let me see the color. I don't even remember the colors I chose, to be honest. So these contact lenses, the good thing about them, they last 1 year after you open them, so that's a good thing. Okay, so this is the brown from the Elf collection and this is the blue from the Elf collection. So I'm going to be trying all of them. Okay, all of them. So all of them are soft contact lenses, so I guess it doesn't disturb you, and it comes with this extra packet, like this container where you can put your contact lenses, and with the applicator, which is nice because I love putting my contact lenses with the applicator. I don't like touching my contact lenses anymore. So yeah guys, I'm going to be reviewing all of them, so stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm going to be reviewing them with ring light and without ring light for you guys to see the difference with artificial lighting and natural lighting. Okay, yeah, let's go to the video.
It's my day on the beats, and your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need any more, than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's Mdee on the beats. And your girl be hey. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to. But you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know.
This is all for this video. This is my favorite color, obviously the blue from the Elf collection, I think. Yeah, the blue from the Elf collection is the favorite color from all of them because why? It looks natural. I mean, I love it. I love blue and I love when it looks this kind of natural. Sorry about the noise in the background. Anyways, my neighborhood. So that's it, my cuties. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to leave the link of this company and the direct links of these contact lenses down below with a discount code for you guys to get it much cheaper. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button right there and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you.
My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you.